Hello, hi everyone. I have come up with a new topic today. So recently I had experience. I faced one issue where I was traveling from Tatanagar to Havda, and my train got delayed for more than 3 hours. And after that, I googled and I found out that if my train is getting delayed, and if I do not wish to travel, if my train is getting running late by more than 3 hours. So if these two cases are matching, then in that case I can get my refund. I do not need to travel. I can get my paid money back from IRCTC by filing a TDR. So as you can see, the details here. This is my PNR number, and the total amount I paid was a very big amount. I didn't want to lose it. So for that reason only, I didn't. And also I didn't wanted to uh, travel train which is running late more than 3 hours. So I had some few important work, so I didn't want to lose that work as well. So I did some other arrangement for traveling, and in the meantime I skipped the train, and I uh, waited for the train journey to get completed before filing the TDR. So what I started from, I'll tell you. When I saw initially, when I started seeing that the train is getting delayed every 5 minute, 10 minute, I was checking the train running status, and it was showing me it's getting delayed 45 minute, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. The time was getting increased, the late running time. So I tried canceling the ticket, but it showed me this error: journey date passed, cancellation not allowed, please file a TDR. So then I stopped there only. I slept that night, and very next day morning, when the journey of the train got finished, I went to IRCTC portal, went to my account, my transactions, TDR history, and there I searched for my ticket. I mean, my ticket was on top only because that was the recent booking I did. So according to date, I found it on the top only. I clicked on the ticket. I saw this screen. So this is the zoomed version of that ticket, where I have the transaction ID booked on all these details on the background, and I have this TDR reason mentioned over there. This is a drop down with more than 10-15 options. So from this, I selected this option: train running late more than 3 hours and passenger not traveled. This option. Clicked on file TDR. Then it brought me to this screen where I can select what all we were two passengers traveling. So I wanted to file TDR and get refund for both of us. So I checked the check boxes for both and clicked on file TDR. If you wish to file a TDR for only one or any less number of passengers, you can do that also. If some passengers has traveled the train and some passengers have not, so you can uh, file the TDR for a specific few passengers also by selecting this checkbox. So click on file TDR after that, and it will bring you to this screen saying that your request has been accepted and all. You need to click yes in here. So it's basically says that if you saying this warning that I was mentioning in the previous point, that if you have traveled, if you have boarded the train and still you are trying to do this, or if the train is not running late by more than 3 hours, and still you are trying to select that option, train running late by more than 3 hours, and trying to file a TDR, in that case your account will get deactivated. This is what it is saying here. So if your claim is found to be false, they will take legal action against you, and your account will get deactivated, might get deactivated, not confirm. So yeah. So once I do completed that process is completed now, and then after that I kept checking my status. So this is the site refund.indianrail.gov.in, refund/refund ref status. So this site you need to browse, and there two options are given. Not two options, two entries are given: PNR number and date of journey. You select both of these, click on status. So for me, it took around 1 month of time to, after filing the TDR, to get my money back into my account. So within this time span, initial 4 or 5 days, I didn't even saw a single status. I mean, if I'm clicking on this status, so it wasn't showing me anything. So from fifth day onward, I started seeing the status of my request or my ticket that I raised. So the first status I saw was this: refund status, report received from inspector, with all my details, journey date, and all these details you can see over here. And also it is assigned to some case has been registered on some date, dealer ID is assigned and all. So it happened like that. And the next status I saw was sent for officer's approval. And after that, I saw the status as for payment to zonal railway traffic account. So this is the final status I saw after around 20 days, I guess. And once this status got updated, it took around 10 more days to transfer their money into my account, or maybe it is a bank side issue. They might have transferred, and I got the money basically after 10 days of time after this status got updated here. So this is the experience I had and just wanted to share with you. Yeah, thank you.